Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add the bubble 3D font to your design in Canva. So here what you need to do is just go to the Elements tab under in the left panel and then search for the bubble 3D font. Click on enter. And after that, on the graphics, you can just click on see all. And in here, there are lots of bubble 3D font that you can use. But please be noted that this is only for the Canva Pro users. So if you want to use this one freely, you need to pay for it or join the Canva Pro. So I'm going to just click on this and it will be added to your design like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.